Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking to elevate your next meal with a really delicious smoked sea salt? I want to show you this one. This is from Paradise Sea Salt, and this is the ocean smoke flavor. So this is a sea salt that is from Hawaii, and it is smoked using wood from local trees there. So it has a really authentic Hawaiian flavor, and it's super delicious. So it has a nice smoke flavor. It's not overpowering, but it just really adds something complex and adds some depth to your meals. So any type of meal that would really lend itself to a smoky flavor like chili or barbecue, grilled meats, this is awesome for that. But I also love to use it in things like making homemade chocolate truffles, and adding a little bit of smoked sea salt just takes it to the next level. So I would definitely recommend this smoked sea salt to anyone who wants to bring some really delicious smoky flavor in a really convenient way by using this smoked sea salt. It's an awesome product, very, very tasty. That's my point of view.